Do you want to add watermark to Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Insert default watermark. Open a document and keep the cursor where you want to add a watermark. Click on the Design tab. Click on the drop-down menu for watermark. Here you will find a couple of default Word watermarks. Select a watermark you want depending on your preference, and that will get immediately added to your document. Method 2. Add custom watermark. Besides choosing from the default watermarks, you can also add a custom one. Here is how to do so. Click on the Design tab. Click on Watermark. Now select the Custom Watermark option. This should open a Printed Watermark dialog box. Here, you can choose to insert a picture watermark or add some text watermark. If you select the Picture Watermark option, this enables you to add a picture. To add the picture, click on the Select Picture button. Here you can choose the picture from a file uploaded on your PC, from Bing Search or from OneDrive Personal. Browse the image you want to add. Navigate to the file location or search for a picture on Bing. Select the picture and insert it. You can change the scaling of the image. You can also check the box for washout option if you want to lighten the watermark you are using. Once inserted, if you want to change the watermark or edit it again, open the Design tab. Then again navigate to Custom Watermark. For adding text watermark, select the Text Watermark option. Add a text as watermark and then customize it. You will get several customizing options like language, text, font, size, color, layout, etc. So customize as per your choice. Once done, apply and save the changes. To move a watermark, enable Header and Footer Edit mode. You can do so by double-clicking on the header or footer. Now click on your watermark and you can now move your watermark in the document, resize or rotate it. Once done, close the header and footer section. You can double-click anywhere on the page and it will get closed. Method 3. Remove watermark from the document. To remove the watermark in a document, follow the same way you enabled them. Navigate to the Design tab, click on Watermark and click on the Remove Watermark option. This should remove the watermark from your document. And there you have it, the methods to add watermark to Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.